Hello all, how are you doing? Today we are going to see a major project which you can use for your college project or final year project or any type of major or minor project. This project is cryptography technique for communication system. Title is design and analysis of cryptography technique for communication system. We have published a IEEE research paper on this project. You can see this research paper by clicking on this link. See, a research paper has been published. You can read this research paper. This research paper has been published in July only. So let's understand this project. I will give you a brief description or explanation about this project. So, design analysis of cryptographic technique for communication system. A well-defined PPT has been made. Abstract. Secure communication of message from sender to receiver is one of the main security concern of internet user across world. It is because of the regular attacks and threats and most important data privacy. In order to sort out this issue, we use cryptographic algorithm which encrypt data in some cipher and transfer it over the internet and again decrypt it to original data. Lightweight cryptographic methods are proposed to overcome many of the problems of conventional cryptography. Cipher act as encapsulating system for message. Hybrid algorithm will be formed from use of different types of cipher. The cryptographic system performs encryption by encrypting the plain text using Wigner cipher and again processing through Polybase cipher. We know about cryptographic system. You can read about this. There are many two types of cryptographic system. First is symmetric cryptography and second is asymmetric cryptography. There are some merits and demerits I have given in the PPT. See, first we will see about the Wigner cipher. Wigner cipher is a method of encrypting alphabetic text. It uses a simple form of polyalphabetic substitution. You can see this Wigner table of Wigner cipher that in horizontal is from A to Z and vertical is from A to Z. If you will see in this whole table only alphabets A to Z is included, not any number. To overcome this limitation we will use the polybias cipher. What is polybias cipher? Polybias square is a table that allows someone to convert letter to number. You can see this. Then we will combine these two cipher and make a hybrid cipher. See, this is the pictorial view of the software. See, after this, when software is developed, then cryptography is widely used for the method of security of data. Wigner cipher is one of the cryptographic method that is considered simplest and weakest due to many limitations. To overcome the limitation of Wigner cipher, we proposed a summation, you can say combination of Polybase cipher with it that make much secure against many types of attacks, mainly active attack and passive attacks. So this is one of the top class project you can use in the college. I can show you this project, everything will be there when I will send you this project. So I will give you full project code, PPT, report, synopsis and video presentation, research paper of this project. If you want one-to-one session to understand this project, you can contact me at vatsayan007@gmail.com or you can reach out to me at this WhatsApp number. I am available 24 into 7 for any kind of help in project. Thank you and have a nice day.